After COVID, Heathrow Airport wasn't just recovering flights, it was recovering people. With over 50% of their managers newly appointed and facing extreme pressure, the company had a choice: let the stress spiral, or rebuild through support. They chose to prioritize people, and the results were incredible. Welcome to BizCase Studio, where we break down real business decisions to uncover practical MBA-level insights. Today's case takes us inside Heathrow Airport, and how their people-first approach transformed leadership in a time of crisis. Before we dive into the case study in detail, let's see a glimpse of what we will be covering. Post-pandemic, Heathrow faced a leadership crisis. Many frontline managers were new, untrained, and overwhelmed. Rather than outsource help, they created something powerful: internal mental fitness champions. The result? Not just better well-being, but stronger performance and culture. Let's start by knowing about Heathrow Airport. Heathrow Airport is one of the busiest and most complex airports globally. It runs 24/7, handling millions of passengers and staff. As travel resumed after the pandemic, the pressure on operational teams, especially new managers, skyrocketed. What was the problem Heathrow had? In 2022, a staff survey revealed that 49% of Heathrow's managers were feeling high levels of pressure. During COVID, many had missed out on essential soft skills training. New hires stepped into management roles without proper support. Add to that understaffing and constant public demand, and you had a perfect storm of stress and burnout. Heathrow's response? Build strength from within. They trained 40 employees as mental fitness champions, each certified to CPD standards. These champions were paired with around 16 managers each, offering regular training, mental health check-ins, and ongoing peer-level support. It wasn't just about stress, it was about culture, communication, and confidence. The results spoke for themselves. Manager relationships improved by 45%. Well-being scores increased by 66%. And most importantly, leaders felt equipped to talk about mental health, a topic once seen as uncomfortable or off-limits. This wasn't just a short-term fix. It laid the foundation for long-term resilience. Now we have seen the case study, let's explore the learnings from it. 1. Well-being is a strategic asset. MBA programs often teach risk, operations, and finance, but resilience is about more than systems. It's about people. Heathrow's case proves that mental fitness, like physical fitness, can be trained, supported, and scaled. By treating well-being as an operational priority, they built a more stable, adaptable team during chaos. 2. Internal champions shape culture. Why didn't Heathrow just bring in consultants? Because peers understand the context. Internal mental fitness champions came from within the organization. They knew the pressure, the shifts, the culture. That relatability created a space of trust. From an MBA lens, this is powerful. Peer-to-peer training often leads to higher engagement than top-down instruction. It shows how to scale trust, not just knowledge. 3. Training must be continuous. Many companies treat soft skills as optional, something to address when there's time. Heathrow flipped the script. They made communication, emotional intelligence, and well-being central to leadership training. For MBA students, this reinforces a modern truth: the best strategies fail without people skills. Soft skills are not a luxury, they are mission critical. 4. Measure what matters. Heathrow didn't just say, let's improve well-being. They tracked it. They measured well-being scores, team dynamics, and leadership confidence. This ties into a core MBA concept: you can't manage what you don't measure. Making culture measurable turns it from a vision into a roadmap, and allows leaders to take it seriously. 5. Leadership must model the change. Heathrow adopted BITC's board-level work-well model. That means well-being wasn't a side project, it was championed by leadership and embedded into strategy. When the top prioritizes people, the entire organization follows. This case shows how strategic alignment, from board to floor staff, can drive true change. In short, Heathrow shows us that when you invest in people, performance follows. Here's something to think about. If you had to redesign just one training program at your workplace, would you start with mental fitness? And what would change if you did? Drop your thoughts below in the comment box and let's brainstorm together. Thanks for watching BizCase Studio. If you believe real business learning comes from real examples, make sure to subscribe. More powerful case studies are on the way, with lessons you won't find in any textbook. So click the like button and the bell icon. Thank you.